Hey everyone, make your each and every day stylish by recreating this amazing outfit from dynamic artists. First dress is made up from shallow tape and flower. Second is made up of only base material plastic, and it's made up of only newspaper, and you can recreate easily, and it's available in every house. It is made up of June, which you are used in cleaning utensil. Next is made up of greenery everywhere, so it's made up of grasses and some parts of flower, and it's so beautiful. And next it is made up of Punjabi girl wedding ceremony dresses, and it's made up of red carpet gone, and it look stunning, you can see in image. And it's again made up of eco-friendly, and it's made up of plastic. It is made up of birthday party wear, and it is made up of wedding ceremony dresses, and it is made up of cones. You can see actually in the image how it's beautiful. It's created like princess. She looks. Next, it is made up of lahna choli with dupattas. How it's look stunning. Fancy slapped at classes. Next, it is made up of lehenga with blouses, long sleeve blouses. Next, it is made up of birthday party dresses, and you can go anywhere. It is made up of red carpet dresses. You can see how it's pretty looks. Next, it is made up for only for Muslim dresses, because many girls also want to which type of dress he wants to wear. Next is made up of plastics. It is made up for men. You can how many comments come from men side. Make some things for the men. That's why I have made this amazing outfit for men. Next, it is made up for elegant and stylish dress for birthday party girls. She look stunning after wearing this amazing outfit. Next, it is made up from knit and silk some part. Next, it is made up of fancy dresses, and it is made up from balloons. And next, it is made up from waste materials. The materials you can waste and throw anywhere, and it's look stunning. Next dress, it is also made up from Muslim dresses. You can see Muslim girl, it's look stunning. You can see in image how pretty it look after wearing this. And next, this langa, it is made of this langa full cover your stage, and it's look stunning after you will recreate